Welcome back to Teach Grow Together. Did you know we spend about 90% of our lives indoors, constantly breathing air that's often filled with invisible pollutants from furniture, paint, and cleaning products? But what if you could clean your air naturally, with something beautiful and alive? Today, we're revealing the top 3 air-purifying flowers you can bring into your home. Plants that don't just look good, but are proven to scrub toxins from the air. Ready to engineer a healthier indoor environment one flower at a time? Grab your notebook. Let's get started. Let's get into it. First up, the peace lily, Spathiphyllum. This elegant plant is a powerhouse at removing common indoor toxins. NASA's clean air study found peace lilies excel at filtering out benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene, chemicals you don't want in your lungs. The secret? Phytoremediation. The plant absorbs pollutants through its leaves, then microbes in the soil break them down. It's a self-contained recycling system, all powered by sunlight. Peace lilies are also incredibly easy to care for. Their leaves droop when thirsty, so you'll always know when to water. They thrive in low light, making them perfect for offices or shady corners. No direct sun needed, just a little attention and water. You get a stunning air-scrubbing plant that's nearly impossible to kill. The peace lily, beautiful, resilient, and a true air-cleaning machine. Bring one home and breathe easier. It's living technology at its best. The peace lily isn't just a plant, it's your personal air purifier. Next, the Gerbera Daisy, a burst of color and a secret air cleaning weapon. These vibrant flowers, pinks, yellows, oranges, reds, aren't just for show. Gerbera daisies are stars at removing formaldehyde and benzene, especially useful if you have printers, fresh paint, or lots of paper products. Their high transpiration rate means they pull in more air, letting beneficial microbes break down pollutants. It's like a tiny, self-ventilating engine working all day. They do need bright, indirect sunlight and well-drained soil, so a sunny window is perfect. A little more care, but the payoff is huge cleaner air and a daily mood boost. Gerbera daisies prove you can have beauty and function in one plant. Add a few to your home office or living room for a splash of color and a breath of fresh air. They're a cheerful, hard-working addition to any space. Cleaner air, brighter days. That's the Gerbera daisy difference. Finally, meet the chrysanthemum, the ultimate air-purifying flower. This isn't just a pretty autumn bloom, it's the top performer in NASA's air cleaning tests. Chrysanthemums tackle formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethylene, ammonia, and xylene, covering more toxins than almost any other houseplant. Their complex flower heads create a huge surface area for absorbing pollutants. Place them in bright, indirect sunlight and keep the soil moist for best results. Mums are affordable, widely available, and come in a rainbow of colors. With a little care, they'll keep your air clean and your home vibrant. If you want the most effective natural purifier, chrysanthemums are your go-to. They're the toxin terminators of the plant world. Bring one home and let it work its magic. Cleaner air, courtesy of nature's best. So there you have it. 3 flowering plants that do more than just look pretty. The peace lily, Gerbera daisy, and chrysanthemum are proven to clean your air and brighten your space. Try adding one to your home and see the difference for yourself. Let us know in the comments which plant you'll try, or share your own favorites. Thanks for joining me on Teach Grow Together. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who could use a breath of fresh air. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and breathe easy.